Hi, this is Melissa with ckcpatterns, and I'm going to show you how to attach elastic to the waistband without using a casing. This is really helpful with knit. This is a knit pattern. So I'm at the step where I've already attached the skirt. So I've gathered the skirt, this is the skirt, and this is the bodice. They've already been attached. Now I'm at the point where I need to attach the elastic to the skirt. So the elastic is going to go on top of the skirt. So this is right side out. I'm on the wrong side of the fabric. And I took the elastic and I already sewed them together to create one loop. And then I divided it into quarters and marked it with a Sharpie. And I also did that with my skirt. So I'm going to be stretching just the elastic as I'm serging. You can also use your sewing machine and use a zigzag stitch. You'll want to do a wide zigzag stitch so that you're covering the whole elastic as you're sewing. But I prefer to use a serger. If you have a serger, it's nice. You also will want to turn off the knife on your serger. You don't want to be cutting the elastic as you're serging. Another thing is, as you're serging, you need to make sure that the bodice is laying flat. You don't want this to get stuck and end up serging the wrong way or getting folded. So you need to take it slow and adjust your fabric. So I already quartered it and pinned it. So I'm only going to be stretching the elastic. I'm not stretching the bodice or the skirt again. So I'm going to start right here. And this is 1/4 elastic. I find that works really well. And I want to just get it right there. And again, I'm checking to make sure the bodice is laying good. Nothing's puckering or laying funny. And I'm going to pull slightly from behind too. And the needles are kind of in the middle of the elastic. And I'm going to adjust it, check the bottom. Adjust it, take out my pin. Keep stretching. Now, I like to attach the bodice and the skirt before I do the elastic. You could do it together, but there's more room for error. I'm getting close to where I started, so you can see. I'll just overlap it a little bit. And take these. Okay, and I'll tie that later, but if you see, it does really help the dress lay nice. And I prefer not to top stitch with the elastic in it. You can, but I find that I like it without. So that's how you do it.